9 months ago, I did something I'd been thinking about for years. I finally bit the bullet and started making YouTube videos. I had no idea what I was getting myself into. Since that first upload, I've posted every week. Some videos did well.
Come on, big girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was dodgy. That was so dodgy.
Others flopped spectacularly.
Let's give it a go. Oh, God. Oi.
And I spent way too much time refreshing my analytics. But here I am, 1,000 subscribers later. Well, actually, 1,350 subscribers later. So I thought I'd share my journey, what worked, what didn't, and how YouTube completely changed my life. I'm naturally an introvert. I love riding alone, going down endless YouTube rabbit holes and watching other creators build their hobby-based channels. Eventually, the idea of starting my own started to take root. I didn't tell anyone. No pressure, no expectations, just an experiment to see what would happen. I knew I wanted to focus on adventure motorcycling. Traveling off-road, exploring wild places, maybe the occasional gear review to keep things interesting. My first video, a ride on my brand new BMW. It's awkward, clunky, and just not great.
What is up, guys, and welcome to my channel. Look at this beast. Yeah, we'll just generally see how we go. Oh my. Oh yeah.
But it's still there. Feel free to check it out if you want to feel better about posting your first video. I filmed it with an old GoPro 6 I had lying around and zero editing experience. Hitting publish felt huge, and then nothing happened. A few views trickled in, no likes, no comments, a bit of an anticlimax really, but I kept going. After watching about 1 million YouTube advice videos, I realized one thing: consistency is key. So I committed to posting weekly and started documenting my rides on the Trans-Euro Trail. Still. But something unexpected started to change. YouTube gave me a reason to prioritize my riding. Life gets in the way, but committing to weekly uploads meant carving out time for what I love. Of course, building a channel isn't just about riding. Editing, thumbnails, metadata, it all adds up. But I stuck with it. Slowly, views started picking up. Then the comments came in. Then subscribers. Turns out people actually enjoyed my sketchy riding techniques and self-deprecating humour. One turning point was deciding to take a bigger trip to Finland.
Alright, now that that's all packed away, nice and tidy, I need to go and test it somewhere. And so I was thinking maybe Finland? No one is here. I fell over.
I never intended to ride that far.
Oh, that's loose. That is loose. Where there's one, there's more. Oh, good. See if we can get down this sketchy road. I hope there are no bears that come and get me. That was making a noise. The road has taken its toll on my brain. Stay out of my gate. Now, if you're going to write in the comments, what a nut job, go for it. Because I am. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling.
The pressure of weekly uploads pushed me to start, and I turned it into a series. Every week, more people tuned in, and their support kept me motivated. By this point, I had started to relax into my style, and I lent into my sense of humour.
No! 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 No!
And people seem to connect with that. Then, out of nowhere, it happened. My first viral moment. A quick review of my bike, thrown together with recycled footage and a dodgy mic. Aim that they downgraded from the 1250. And somehow it took off. 1,000 views, then 3,000 views, 7,000 views. Eventually it slowed down at just over 11,700 views. Now, I hear you. 11,700 views, that's not that many. That's not a viral moment by YouTube standards. But my brother said something to me that really resonated with me. It was, imagine those 11,700 people in one room, all looking at you. Then it seems like a massive number. Then the comments flooded in, mostly lighthearted. My subscriber count jumped. Turns out, not taking yourself too seriously actually works. I thought I had it all figured out. Then, everything stopped. Views tanked. Growth stalled. YouTube humbled me real quick. Lessons learned. Nothing is guaranteed. Still, I stayed consistent, and after 7 months, I finally hit 1,000 subscribers and the magic 4,000 watch hours to join the YouTube Partner Program. Starting a YouTube channel is a slog. Most channels take over a year to hit 1,000 subs, and it's a ton of work. Planning, filming, editing, and of course, obsessing over analytics. But it's been worth it. I've learned so much. I've prioritized my hobby. I've developed new skills, and most importantly, I've connected with people who share my sense of humor and love for adventure motorcycles. As I hit this first milestone, I wanted to take a moment to reflect. Maybe I'll revisit this video if I ever hit 5,000 subs. That could take 5 years, or it could take 5 weeks. You never know with YouTube. For now, I'm just focused on improving, making better videos, learning the craft, and trusting the process. And if you're thinking about starting your own channel, here's my advice. Just start. You don't need anything figured out. Be yourself, do what you love, and trust that the right people will find you. It might take time, but keep going. If you've watched this far, then you are a legend, and my regular shenanigans will carry on next week. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what stopped you from starting your own channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys. Thanks.